Hi everyone, I am Surbi and she is Mani, my real sister. Harigo India is a manufacturer of hair extensions. We make hair extensions made with 100% real human hair. It looks very natural and seamless. In India, hair fall and hair thinning is a major concern. At least 50% of the men are facing hair thinning from the top and 40% of the women are facing hair loss. So उसके लिए हमने hair extensions बनाए हैं that gives instant hair solution.
made with 100% real human hair.
Our first hero product is Scalp Topper. It comes in various sizes. This looks very real, like your own scalp. So it comes with a silicone clip. It covers your hair thinning. So basically currently I have right now very wide hairline. This covers it instantly and gives bounce to your hair. It is very natural looking, हूबहू हमारे scalp की तरह. This is our second product called Invisible Patch. The making of the product is done in such a way it looks like the hair is coming from the root. It covers the small patches like these. It also adds volume. Isn't it amazing?
These are colored streaks. It comes in different hair shade. It adds highlight to our hair without any hair damage. It comes in single clip.
All you have to do is make a little partition. Tuck. Tuck it in.
So it adds highlight to your hair without any hair damage. This is clip-in bangs. It can change one's look instantly. Gen Z really likes to experiment with their hair look, so no one has to go for a haircut. It can change the look in seconds.
That's a double clip invisible patch. The making of this patch is done in such a way that it looks like the hair is coming from the root. And can you imagine I'm wearing one? Let me show you. To hide all my hair thinning. It hides hair thinning and gives bounce to the hair. When hair is very oily and not manageable, we have this is called a messy bun crunchy. You can just tie it up like this. It's an everyday product and a go-to product.
This is ponytail hair extension. Very easy to use. ये clutcher से बना है. It helps to add hair volume and hair length. It is one of the hairstyles जो Bollywood में बहुत use होती है.
This is another set of hair extensions that increase hair length and volume. It comes in different sizes, in variation, in colors, texture. So this is basically straight hair texture and this is wavy hair texture. It's just a clip away and looks flawless.
I am wearing colored hair extension. It comes in set of 3. As you can see, it adds hair color and hair volume without any hair damage.
And I am wearing set of 4 hair extensions. It adds hair volume and hair length. From short hair to long hair is no more a hassle with Harigo.
People who are going through chemotherapy, for them we have full wig made in silk base and it looks very natural on scalp. You can change the parting, you can make any hairstyle whatever you like. हूबहू हमारे scalp की तरह. This is an adjustable band which helps to secure the wig.
All our hair extensions are made with 100% real human hair. and these are organically sourced.
It is of premium quality at affordable range. We customize the product as per customer needs.